What's up everybody, my name is Tulisa Martins and today I'm going to show you how to make these easy pancakes. The full recipe is in the description box down below. So you'll start off with self-raising flour, a little bit of oil, and then you'll need some eggs and milk, a pinch of salt, and later I'll also use vinegar. So that's all you'll need for this recipe. So you can start off by whisking your eggs on the side before you add them to the self-raising flour. As I said earlier on, what all the ingredients and the measurements are in the description box down below. So once you whisk your eggs, you add those onto your self-raising flour. Then you will add your milk. I use full cream milk. It just makes them much more fluffier at the end of the day. And then your pinch of salt. Then you will whisk that together, making sure that you don't overmix. And then once that's done, you will add your vinegar and just stir through until mixed. You will then cover this batter and leave it in the fridge to rest for about 20 minutes. Then once it's done, you will heat a large frying pan with oil, a little bit of oil, and then you'll add about a 1/3 cup measurement of a pancake batter. And once the top starts bubbling, you will see then, and then you can actually flip it over. This you can repeat then with the remainder of your batter up until all your pancakes are done. It really is super quick, about a minute or two on each side. Then I usually just top them onto a plate. They don't stick to each other. And then I serve this then once cooled with whipped cream and apricot glazed in honey. And both those recipes are in the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe. See you next time. Ciao.